Hello, this is my forensic toxicology project, and the drug I selected was codeine. Codeine's classification: it is a narcotic, and its chemical formula is C18H2NO3, and there is a visual image of it right there. Now, the use of codeine, it's primarily used to treat moderate pain and to reduce coughing in many cases. However, when you take it in larger doses, it can produce feelings of apathy, euphoria, and often tends to lead to drowsiness and relaxation. And this is why many people tend to use codeine recreationally. And with that recreational use in large doses, it often leads to the physical and psychological effects. So the physical effects of codeine include itching, stomach pain, clammy hands and feet, constipation, drowsiness, and nodding off. Most people, when they're taking large doses, they're not mentally aware and in check with reality and what's really going on. And, that can often lead also with the psychological effects, which includes hallucination, delusions, decreased memory, lack of emotion, and psychosis. So when you combine the physical and psychological effects and large doses of codeine, the drug can be very dangerous. However, it's very interesting because with the legal status of codeine phosphate tablets and also prescriptions are available, and codeine is classified as a legal narcotic and is a Schedule II drug, and codeine can often be found at most drugstores. So dosage and interaction. So the recommended dosage is about 15 milligrams, 30 or 60 for extreme cases of pain. However, it should never go beyond 360 milligrams a day. Codeine can enhance the effects of other narcotics and should never be taken with alcohol, analgesics, general anesthetics, depressants, and tranquilizers. So the history of codeine is there was a German pharmacist in 1804 who figured out how to isolate morphine from opium, and this basically led to his discovery of codeine by Pierre Rabquet. And codeine gets its name because it refers to the head of the poppy plant. So some street names for codeine include the purple drink, lean, Texas tea, Sizzup, T1, and syrup. So an interesting case study I found about codeine was over-the-counter codeine is growing at a rapid rate in India, and opioids are considered to be used between 0.4 to 26% of substance abusers in India. And the case studies reveals the horrific effects of opioid abuse, and specifically codeine, and how there is a large demand in India for codeine and the drastic effects, psychological and physical, that come with the widespread use of that drug. And here I have included my sources.